Friends, as I talk to you today, I see India as a nation transforming from being a nation of savers to becoming a nation of investors. We are seeing this transformation as more and more Indians and of course international investors start investing money in various asset classes in India. We are seeing the development of India, the investment theme, India as an asset class getting established on the global stage. We are also seeing a transformation of an India which is moving away from an incremental mindset to an aspirational mindset. The Indians of today has far greater confidence and conviction about future of India as an investment opportunity. And as we see this transformation, we are seeing a whole host of asset classes, whether it's equities, real estate, structured products, art, and what else do you have? Commodities. And Indians and international investors are beginning to see this opportunity as India moves on a sustainable 8% plus growth. In the short run, the India story is producing returns of more than 9%. And if we can sustain these kind of growth rates of GDP, India's time in the history of the world has truly arrived and arrived right now. I think the challenges for us is that as we make these investment decisions about putting money to work in India, we've got to be clear that from time to time we will have cycles. And these cyclical changes, whether it is rise in interest rates from time to time or factors like inflation or maybe potential political volatility from time to time, these are risks which will always happen in every cycle. But the long-term structural and secular India story is in place. And therefore, I would strongly recommend to savers and investors that look at the opportunity for buying into Indian assets, whether it's equities or any other asset, from a long-term perspective. There will be shocks which I think are inevitable. Do not be scared by that. And every such shock or volatility will be an opportunity to make long-term investments. I recommend that as a long-term investment theme. India, the asset, Indian companies, Indian businesses are wonderful assets for long-term growth and productivity. So may the investment opportunity from India be something which every investor benefits from as he looks at a long-term future.